Automation Accelerator Program was launched in direct response to consultations with manufacturers. This program is a collaborative effort, and we would like to thank all partners and companies involved.
The Industry 4.0 Automation Accelerator Program is an excellent opportunity for manufacturers at any stage of their digital transformation journey, whether it is for their manufacturing process or product. This program was delivered remotely because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The value of this program is that it goes beyond learning. It's really focused on implementation of Industry 4.0 initiatives, no matter where the manufacturer is in their digital transformation journey. In addition to the learning, this program uses tools that companies can use to assess their own Industry 4.0 readiness and for strategic planning, as well as group discussions and individual consultations with experts to develop Industry 4.0 initiative ideas.
Peer learning concludes with a virtual factory tour.
I was so impressed by the level of sharing, collegiality, and support from all of the manufacturers who participated in the program.